If you didn't get the IELTS score you need, don't worry. You're not the only one, and this happens to many students. In this lesson, I'm going to quickly show you what you should do next if you didn't get the band score you need. The first step is to analyze your results. Look at your band scores for listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and think about which ones need improvement and which ones are enough. Step 2 is to decide on your next move, and you have several options. First, you can retake the test. You can do this if you feel confident that your skills have improved. Second, you can request a remark. So if you think your speaking or writing score was too low, you can request a remark, but keep in mind that this takes time and costs money. Third, you can do a one-skill resit. This is a great option if only one section needs improvement. And finally, you can check other options. So you could consider applying to a different institution or a different university if that place requires a lower IELTS score. And finally, step 3 is you need to improve before retaking. Focus on the areas where you struggled or where you had problems, practice more, and get feedback to make sure you know what you're doing well and what you're doing not so well. So if you didn't get the band score you need, don't panic. Just analyze, adjust, and improve before your next test. If you do need help preparing and don't want to waste lots of time and money taking the test again and again and again, make sure you check out our full IELTS preparation course in the description, and I'll see you next time.